Hey folks, believe it or not, there are thousands of SaaS companies that don't have any process for what they do after they have shipped a new product update. Right? Sounds scary, but think about yourself. Do you really have a documented product adoption strategy? Or, in other words, a product marketing strategy, if we zoom out a bit and look at it from like a broader perspective? The most companies I talked to actually don't. And it took us a while to basically collect, tested, reliable information about the process in order to create a template for a product marketing strategy for you, because the information is just not widely available out there. Unlike with marketing, so mostly devoted to acquisition, general marketing, where there are plenty of different strategies, tactics, hacks. With product marketing, it's still like quite not entirely covered, I would say. So go check out the post below. We have included 7 steps to creating your first product marketing strategy. And now, why does it even matter? So we have this client, Communicate, which is a chatbot platform for SaaS. And, they noticed that 60-70% of their users were roughly using, 3-4 core features, and they kept asking the customer service for features that were already there in the product. So that's when Communicate realized they have a problem with product adoption, and launching a bunch of experiments to improve the adoption of their features actually translated to 2 to 3% increase in MRR for every 5% points increase in feature adoption. That's quite crazy, isn't it? But it kind of reflects how much value actually these key features that your users may not be discovering because you don't have any product marketing strategy are actually driving for the users. So, in a nutshell, if you want to turn your product into an ATM, you need to make sure that the users are really getting the value that they came to pay for. And that you are helping them along the way to discover this value in a consistent and predictable manner. So basically, when you launch something new, when you make a UI change, when you launch a new feature, you don't start kind of thinking, what do I do now, right? Because if that's the case, you probably won't do anything. You need to have a consistent process, and you need to make it your habit to follow this checklist that we have also included in the post below every time you make any product change. Okay, so that's it. It's too long to really summarize the whole blog post in this video, so I'm just going to encourage you to click on the blog post below and let me know what you think. And if you do have a product marketing strategy that is documented and that you think works, please contact me on Emilia@userpilot.co. I would love to talk about it with you and maybe hopefully share it as a case study. Thanks for today, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.